Romania, located in Southeast Europe, is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Let's explore each aspect. Geography. Romania is situated in the southeastern part of Europe, bordered by Hungary, Serbia, Bulgaria, Ukraine, and Moldova. The Carpathian Mountains dominate the center of the country, providing stunning landscapes and opportunities for outdoor activities. The Danube River forms part of Romania's southern border and is an essential transportation route. History. Romania's history spans thousands of years, with influences from various civilizations, including Roman, Ottoman, and Austro-Hungarian. The country was formed through the union of Moldavia and Romania experience, which ended with the Romanian Revolution in 1989. In 2007, Romania joined the European Union, marking a new chapter in its history. European Union relations. Since joining the EU, Romania has benefited from increased trade, investment, and access to EU funding for infrastructure and development projects. However, the country has faced challenges regarding corruption, rule of law, and economic disparities compared to other EU members. Food. Romanian cuisine is a mix of influences from neighboring countries, featuring dishes like mamaliga, polenta, sarmale, stuffed cabbage rolls, maiți, grilled minced meat rolls, and various soups and stews. Traditional desserts include papanasi, fried donuts with sour cream and jam, and cozonac, sweet bread with nuts and dried fruits. Natural and historical places. The Carpathian Mountains offer breathtaking landscapes, hiking trails, and opportunities for skiing and wildlife watching. The Danube Delta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of Europe's most significant wetlands, home to diverse flora and fauna. Bran Castle, often associated with the legend of Dracula, is a popular tourist attraction. Sighisoara, a well-preserved medieval town, is another UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its colorful houses and cobblestone streets. Business opportunities. Romania has a diverse economy, with sectors like IT, automotive, agriculture, and tourism offering significant opportunities for investment and growth. The country's skilled workforce and relatively low labor costs make it attractive for outsourcing and manufacturing operations. Bucharest, the capital city, serves as the country's economic and financial hub. Personalities. Nadia Comaneci, a Romanian gymnast, became the first gymnast to score a perfect 10 at the Olympics in 1976. George Enescu, a renowned composer, violinist, and conductor, is considered one of Romania's greatest musicians. Emil Cioran, a philosopher known for his existentialist and pessimistic views, gained international recognition for his works. Culture and sports. Romanian culture is influenced by a mix of Eastern and Western traditions, reflected in its music, dance, literature, and art. Football, soccer, is the most popular sport in Romania, with the national team enjoying some success in international competitions. Folk music and dance play a significant role in Romanian culture, with festivals and events held throughout the country to celebrate these traditions. Overall, Romania offers a diverse array of experiences for visitors and opportunities for those looking to explore its history, culture, and business landscape.